Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a strong password for your Binance account in 2025. So whether you are signing up for the very first time or resetting it, this tutorial is for you. Now, I'm assuming that you are creating a new Binance account. So in order to do it, open your Binance application, or you can also follow the same steps on the Binance's website. Here, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the login option, and here you need to simply provide your email address or your phone number. If you are creating a new account, you need to provide your phone number here and then press next. Over here, once you have entered your email address or phone number, they are going to redirect you here on this create a password page. Now, there is what your Binance password must include, like it should be at least 8 characters, one number and one uppercase, and at least one special characters. It was previously enabled, but now they are not giving you the special characters option. So for example, a strong password can look something like this, where you type crypto hash. So it can look something like this. Make sure that you add the number as well. So yeah, it could look something like this. Avoid using some of the easy combinations like Binance 123 or your name or your birth date, because these are too weak. If you are changing or resetting your password, you can just simply go to your profile, then go to security and select the change password option. Then too, you will be landed here on this page where you need to follow the same steps of creating a strong password for your account. So now you can log in again using the updated password. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.